Alright, to get started, I just added a background video to my timeline, as well as an animated image above it that I'd like to explore with a transparent background. First, I'm just going to delete my background video that's underneath the image. Then make sure your timeline panel is selected and use the Control and keyboard shortcut to open up the export settings in here. Select the format drop-down and change it to QuickTime. Then change the preset to GoPro Saveform, RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth. Remember to change the output name so that you can tell it apart from your other video. You'll also want to uncheck Export Audio unless your video has audio in it. Finally, let's go down here to the Video tab and increase the quality to 5. That's it. So just click Export to save your transparent video to your computer. Now if I go to File Explorer, I can find my video and drag it into my project. And if I replace the footage on this timeline, you can see that I can overlay this transparent video onto any footage that I want. But yeah, that's it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.